Section 7. A palette of possibilities, exterior elegance and interior opulence. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just a car, it is a statement of unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship. The exterior of the Rolls-Royce Phantom is just as customizable as the interior, offering a canvas for personal expression and creativity. Clients can choose from a vast palette of paint colors, each meticulously crafted to ensure a flawless finish. They can even create their own custom hues, allowing for a truly unique and personalized vehicle. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy can be finished in various materials. These include gold, which adds a touch of opulence and grandeur, silver, offering a sleek and timeless elegance, or crystal, providing a modern and sophisticated look. Clients can further personalize their Phantom with a range of wheel options and exterior trim packages, ensuring every detail aligns with their vision. Whether they prefer a classic and understated look or something bolder and more contemporary, the possibilities are endless. The bespoke program allows clients to create a Phantom that is uniquely their own, tailored to their exact specifications and desires. It becomes a true reflection of their individual style, a masterpiece that stands out in any setting. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a vehicle. It is an extension of one's personality and taste, a testament to the art of bespoke luxury.